Hello everyone, JT9. So what I'm using here is the Tomahawk by SavvyJack Wax. You guys, this is a killer mustache tool. I use it every day. I think it's cool. You can use the tapered end to do your curls on your handlebar mustache if you'd like. Yes, it works. I have done that before. It's actually really cool. I do wear wax in my mustache, but I wear it in a more natural state. I mean, I mess around with it sometimes and do other things, but yeah, usually I use it naturally. So you can use this tool as a natural mustache, or if you want to do handlebar, it's designed to do either way. All right, check this out. Handcrafted. A couple different woods that you can order this in, beautiful hardwoods. I think there's two different styles or two different mixtures of wood that you can get. This is the sapel and the maple. Man, it's actually cool. All right, look, you got your comb. Check that out, you guys. Look, boar's hair. If you have not seen how this is made, you guys check that video out too. I will try to add something in the bottom, maybe send a link on that. But if you haven't seen that, check out SavvyJackWax.com. Check out how this is made. You guys, this is even hand sewn in here, the boar's hair. It's cool. All right, let me show you a couple things of how I use this comb, or this tool, because it's not just a comb, it is actual tool. So, combing my mustache, right? And my soul pads. But you guys, what I found out on this here, on the boar's hair tends to smooth out your hair and lay it down, and it can actually help getting rid of some flyaways too. But here, watch, I'll just show you what I'm talking about. Is I use my soul patch here to cover actually a big area that doesn't have any hair growing. This, and I comb that down, but man, the brush, the boar's hair, lays that hair down and covers up my patch. I also can use a boar's hair and brush up and away. Now I can go eat soup for lunch if I want to, right? You guys, this is a really cool, super cool tool. I can save you a little bit of money, not a whole lot, but you guys, there is a discount code down below. Do I get anything on that? No, I don't get anything on that. All I'm doing is I have a code to share it with you because I think it's a great product, and that I think that everyone should have one. So if you have a mustache or you know someone that does, you guys need to grab this with my code. You can get it shipped to you for under 25 bucks. Really. All right, let me show you another thing that I do, you guys, with this tool is, so I'm in the process of growing it out. This is I'm at about a year now. So I'm growing it out, but I tend to have an issue with my corners. I know a lot of guys do as it's growing, and where it's sticking up and it's just not doing what you want it to do, right? So I've learned that if I take a little bit of wax and I get me a little bit thumbnail here and I mess around and I put it in my corners, right? If I take this and that real fine tooth and I get in here and maybe even flip it around and get that boar's hair, and if I mess with these corners, this tool is actually helping me get my misbehaving corners to lay down. So you guys, it's not just for your mustache, it's for your beard too, right? All right, guys, check out SavvyJackWax.com. They've got all kinds of stuff. They have beard oils. It's a great Backcountry is a series of oil they have. Hand crafted, again, combs. a big selection of combs. I've got several. This is my favorite. I use this daily in my in when I'm getting ready and so forth. So a lot to pick from. But man, this guy here is really cool. So you guys check out SavvyJack Wax, and man, I think you're gonna like it. I know I love mine.